In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tab style menu in Squarespace 7.1. This is a great way to enhance the navigation of your website, making it more interactive and organized for your visitors. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Squarespace account. Head over to the Squarespace website and look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on that will give you several login options. For convenience and a streamlined process, select Continue with Google. This will allow you to access your account using your Google credentials, which is not only secure but also saves time. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of websites associated with your account. Select the website you want to edit by clicking directly on it. This will take you to the main dashboard where you'll have access to various site management tools. Now navigate over to the Pages section. This is where you control the structure and layout of your site's navigation. You can find this option on the left hand side of your dashboard. By clicking on Pages, you'll be able to see all the existing pages of your website. Next, you'll want to visit Website Tools. This section is also on the left hand side within the Pages menu. Website Tools houses several options that can help fine-tune your site's appearance and functionality. Give it a tap and you'll be one step closer to setting up your tab style menu. From here, click on Custom CSS. This is a powerful tool within Squarespace that allows you to apply custom styling changes to your website. By clicking on it, a text field will open where you can enter CSS code. It's best to have your CSS code ready, as this is where you'll paste or type it in to create the desired tab effect for your menu. Once you've entered your CSS code, it's crucial to save your work. Look for the Save button. It's typically in the top right corner of the CSS panel. By saving, you ensure that your changes are applied to your live website, allowing your visitors to enjoy the newly styled tab menu. And that's it, you've successfully created a tab style menu in Squarespace 7.1. Remember, these steps are simple, but if you need to refine your CSS styling or troubleshoot any issues, don't hesitate to revisit your custom CSS area. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more Squarespace tips and tricks.